Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and in this tutorial video we will create a factorial number using recursion in C language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We have here 26 lines of code. So when we say recursion, it is a programming technique that calling the name of the function by itself. Okay, so one of the most common problem that we solve in recursion is factorial a number. So we have here line number 1, sharp includes tdo.h. It is a library file for input output. Line number 3, it is the prototype or the title of our function, int factorial underscore function int num. So we have here one passing parameters, that is num, that is integer. Line number 5, int main. It is a function, it is the starting point of every program execution. Line 6, left curly bracket begin. Line number 7, we declare a variable int number underscore given equals 0. Line number 9 and 11, the title of our program, factorial number using recursion in C. Line number 9 is a new line in C, 2 new line here. Line number 11 for formatting purposes. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user to give a number that will be stored in our variable number underscore given. So here, line number 14, int result. It is an integer equals factorial underscore function given number. Okay, and then we display the factorial value here, number underscore given result, and the program return. And then we have here the function int factorial underscore function int num begin. If num equals 0, return 1, else return num. We call again the factorial function here, minus 1, close. Okay, so basically guys, this is how factorial numbers works, no? Recursion was developed by Stephen Klein, no? American mathematician. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the description of this video tutorial where you can download the complete source code. Let us build and run. Okay, so our program is currently running factorial number using recursion in C. Give a number, let's say we have 5. The factorial of 5 is 120, and the program. Let's say run again. We have 8. The factorial of 8 is 40,320, and the program. For the third time, we have 4. The factorial value of 4 is 24, and of program. So this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create factorial number using recursion in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. I'm using code blocks as my IDE in writing this program. It is free to download from the internet. And GCC, an open source C++ in C compiler also that is integrated with code blocks. Okay, so before we end, if you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and then please do support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.